Hey guys, I'm now here at Ikea, and as you can see, the four magic letters SALE. Yep, it's sale today, and I'm going to grab this opportunity as early as now to buy something for my mom since it's sale. So I'm just gonna buy plates, serving spoon and fork, and glasses, and the rest I'm just gonna come back here maybe mid of December because I believe today is their second week of their 3 month sale, and oh my god, you can just imagine how many people are here. It's very crowded and it's very stressful. I'm now at the counter and I'm waiting for my turn, and oh my god, look at that. Very crowded. And here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this flowery sweatshirt from H&M, leggings from Zara, bag from Longchamp, and my favorite Rolex watch. Now I'm here at Wendy's, still inside the Avenues Mall, and I'm going to satisfy my cravings. Hope you guys love watching this short video, and if you like this, please give this a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks, bye.